Get the tank so I can get up on top of it. I like it. Hunter, take your back. Guys, I'm gonna do this.
Ready? Watch out, I'm gonna be okay, okay?
Are we allowed to go up?
We're allowed to go as far as we want.
We're going up, alright?
Alright. Bang, bang. Come on, you're out, man. You're out. You're out. Put your gun up and walk out. All right? I don't want to shoot you too close. Hey! Thank you. Oh. Oof, that sucker hurts. You're good, don't worry. Yeah, just as that guy came around. You're good, don't worry. Fuck, what's that thing shooting? You're good, don't worry. Yeah, don't worry about it, man. I get that all the time. What's that thing shooting, though?
460.2.
Oh, okay.
I just skate back.
So, just a nice little sting. Keep up the good work, though. You're doing good. That would have been a nice shot if I didn't mess with it.
No, I got it.
On your 6. You okay, man? Dead man walking, dead man walking. You okay, man? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. You okay? All right, sorry about that. Oh, wait, you commented on my channel yesterday, or the other day.